Hi all. Today here I am going to take a class about hydrostatic pressure technology. It's a high pressure processing. Food is subjected to pressures as high as 6,000 times the atmospheric pressure, usually with the range of 300 to 700 megapascal. In some textbook, it is ranges from 100 to 1200 megapascal, have effective to inactivate microorganisms including foodborne pathogens. No, it is a non-thermal process or cold processing. It is effective in killing most of the vegetative bacteria at pressures above 400 megapascal. Uniform processing ability, independent of mass and time are the main characteristics of hydrostatic high pressure technology or any type of high pressure technologies. Pressure is applied isostatically. It is a high pressure processing technology with the use of water. So it is known as hydrostatic high pressure technology. Food is subjected to pressures of 6,000 times the atmospheric pressure, usually ranges from 300 to 700 megapascal. It is a non-thermal process or cold processing. It is very effective to killing most of the vegetative bacteria at pressure above 400 megapascal. It is otherwise called pascalization or Brickmanization or high pressure processing, that is, or HPP or high hydrostatic pressure technology. It is a method of preserving and sterilizing food in which the product is processed under very high pressure, leading to the inactivation of certain microorganisms and enzymes in the food. It is otherwise called pascalization, Brickmanization, high pressure processing or high hydrostatic pressure. HPP has a limited effect on covalent bonds within the food product, thus maintaining both the sensory and nutritional aspects of the product. It's a limited effect on the covalent bonds, so the chemical components of the food materials are preserved and it maintains both sensory and nutritional aspects of the product. The technique was named after Blaise Pascal, and first he is a pioneer in this field. It is applied at a short period of time of 20 minutes. It is applied at very short period of time, 20 minutes. The HPP or hydrostatic high pressure technology can be used to process both liquid and solid, but solid is water containing foods, and its advantages are: first, it kills bacteria in raw food, extends shelf life, ponders addictive free and fresh food, manipulates the texture and enhances desired attributes, especially digestibility. The operating principles behind this technology are as follows, such as Le-Chatelier's principle and isostatic principle or isobaric principle. Le-Chatelier's principle is the phenomenon in equilibrium, chemical reaction, phase transition or change in molecular configuration is accompanied by decrease in volume, which can be enhanced by pressure. This is a phenomena in equilibrium, chemical reaction, phase transition or change in molecular configuration is accompanied by decrease in the volume, which can be enhanced by pressure. Then isostatic principle is the transmittance of pressure in a uniform and instantaneous, independent of size and geometry of food. It is a static state of pressure. It is a transmittance of pressure in a uniform and instantaneous form. It is called isostatic principle. This is the operational technology of high pressure technologies, that is pack food in sterilized container. Hydrostatic high pressure technology, that is packed food in sterilized container, then load in a pressure chamber, fill chamber with water. First of all, the food is packed in a sterilized container, then it is in the pressure chamber and pressure chamber is filled with the water, then pressurized chamber, hold under pressure, depressurize the chamber, then remove the processed food. It is a simple technology, and the operational technology is: first food is packed in a sterilized container, then load in the pressure chamber, then fill the chamber with the water. Because it is an hydrostatic high pressure technology, water is used for pressurizing, then pressurize the chamber and hold under pressure in this chamber with water and the products, then depressurize the chamber, remove the processed food and water. How does HPP work? This is a diagrammatic representation that water storage tank, then pre-fill the tank pump. This is a this tank shows the pressurized vessel, then intensifier pumps, product in baskets, conveyor vessel to back off, then etc. High pressure food preservation refers to high pressure used for food preservation. Pressure inside a vessel exerting high pressure food can be processed so that it remains its fresh appearance, flavor, texture and nutrients while disabling harmful microorganisms and slowing spoilage. There is no physical or chemical change in the food substitutes, while the microorganisms or any other external substance in the food materials can be uh, removed by using this pressurized technology. The USDA approved that HPP or high pressure technology or hydrostatic high pressure technology or Pascalization etc. as an intervention method for Listeria contaminated pre-packed ready to eat food substitutes, or ready to eat meats etc. USDA approved that HPP has an intervention method for Listeria contaminated pre-packed RTES. Some applications of HCP, hydrostatic high pressure technologies, it founds its greatly influence the physicochemical and technological properties of milk. Especially dairy products are did this HPP technology. Then fruits and vegetables are used for hydrostatic high pressure technology. Then dairy production, the activation of vegetative microorganisms in food substitutes, etc. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and healthy.